In this quick little demo, you are going to see how to attach your paper characters together using the thread technique. So at each of your joints, you should have a small dot to show where you are going to fasten the pieces together. Do keep in mind you don't want it to be too close to the edge, otherwise you will risk it tearing when you do poke your holes through. So give it enough room between the edge and your hole. So now I'm going to use my needle, and I'm actually using the force of the table to help get me started so I don't accidentally tear. And then I use the needle the rest of the way to push it completely through. Again, let's see that one more time with our other piece. Again, I'm lining up my needle to the point, using the force to kind of just push it through to the table, and then lifting it up to push the needle all the way through. From there, you are going to grab your thread, and you need a piece that's at least 5 inches long, maybe a little bit shorter, but you want enough room to be able to put it through both, have a little excess in the back, and then enough to be able to tie it comfortably in the front. So now I'm putting it through both holes, and then I'm going to grab some masking tape. I'm going to tear off a little piece. And also my character is a little bit smaller, so I do need to tear this piece of tape in half because I don't want it to show through the front of my character. So what I'm going to do now is take that piece of tape and tape down the string to the back of your character. You want it to be taped down to the section that it is last going through. So for example, mine last went through the back of the body, therefore I need to tape it down to the body. I don't want to tape it to the head because that won't allow me to move. Now in the front with your excess string, you want to cut off the excess. You don't need too much, just enough to comfortably tie, and then pull the knot all the way down to your actual joint. So it shouldn't be far up. See how I'm nudging it down? Keep a big loop open so you don't knot it too quickly. And then just create a perfect knot, and then cut off the excess from the knot. Then you should have a character with a movable joint. If it's a little too loose and moving too easily, see how my head just fell down, you can go back to the back of your character and tighten that string so that your knot isn't as loose. And you're going to repeat this process for each step of each of your joints. See how this became a little bit tighter, but I can still move my character. Can't wait to see how your characters turn out.